From Takata airbags to the Volkswagen emission scandal, the auto industry has been dominating headlines for the last couple of years. I'm joined right now by Paul Harding, managing partner from the law firm Martin Harding and Mazzotti. Thank you so much for being here, Paul. You've got information because this issue has really impacted a lot of people.
It has. It has.
Let's talk about Takata and the airbag issue first. Recently, it was just announced that Tesla will now recall some of its 2012 models because of the airbag issue. Let's talk about the airbag specifically. How many people affected? How many cars affected?
Sure. So we've got this Takata airbag, Japanese manufacturer, they make tons of them. And we had this bad batch coming out at the tune of about 14 million were in cars. And what happened is we have this thing called an inflator, and they're in a can. And historically, there's impact. The airbag comes out. Under this set of facts, the can would kind of blow up and the metal shards would come through the airbag, injuring and killing people. So it's been a serious recall.
Yeah, and you said there's millions of cars affected in this.
There certainly are, yeah.
So there's certainly people in our area that have had to maybe go down to their dealership and try to get an airbag.
Absolutely, yeah.
You already explained why the airbags are being recalled. Another big issue is this emission scandal with Volkswagen.
Yeah, you know, that's when, Volkswagen tried, or at least someone at Volkswagen tried to trick the EPA, right? You're allowed to have a certain amount of emissions. And they said, hey, we're going to set up a program that when we test the car, it's going to show that it's within the limit. But when you're on the road, it was different than the testing. They got caught, billions of dollars, and the folks who own the cars are kind of left holding the bag, and they're pursuing claims.
Okay, so if one of our viewers was affected by the whole Takata issue, what should they do now?
Yeah.
I think it was, for me personally, there weren't enough airbags when this first came out to cover all of the cars affected.
It was a tricky time right away. There are now. You can kind of figure out if your car is part of this. There's a website called safercar.gov, and if you meet the criteria, go to any dealer, and they will fix it free of charge.
All right. Thank you so much.
Okay, Ann.